with the help of my sister and nephew, and I replaced this little piece here, this little piece. You can see property is on a hill. This whole area is very, very hilly. So that is it. Let's get a shot of the front of the house. This is like just crazy. I love white blocks. Love white flowers. I think you overdo it. Ever-present weed bucket. Here we have no place really to put our garbage cans. We just put them in the driveway because they didn't have cars when our houses were built. This is the front of my house. It's morning. It's a vernacular Gothic revival. See, they have two different roof lines and a steep roof, which is typical. It's a very plain house. Some of the ones on the next street are fancy because they were where the management of the mills lived. This was a workingman's cottage. It's 1,560 square feet, which is plenty for me. And the Historical Society did a survey of this whole area. And I believe they took a point in time, I think it was early 1900s, and they found that there was a spinner from England who lived here and worked in the mills. This should be my plaque. Cats love the porch. There's my plaque. It's kind of faded. Circa 1875. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Bye.